AGR. I'm Maureen on Twitter. I'm here to make sure that things are good. Mungu ametujalia namna gani, by the way. How you doing? I'm here live on YouTube and as well live on Twitter. I've tried my WhatsApp, is not working. I've tried my Facebook, is not working. Let me know, is your Facebook working? Is your WhatsApp working? Hebu niambie kama inafanya kazi so that I can at least know labda wengine mna namna gani. There is also another thing I'm seeing here. You know, at times we talk about technology, and this is what we call actually I wanted to write technology in consistencies, not media. Saa zingine you know, we really depend much on technology, and if this is the situation that is going to be, you got to figure out. Saa zingine tunasema we are digital, we have gone digital fully, to go Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and one of the things that we don't really think about is wacha nizime muziki. I'm taking a short break of like 3-4 minutes, but let me just bring something up. Hebu angalia that there is a moment that we don't have control over WhatsApp, over Facebook and such social media. If at one point we lose WhatsApp and Facebook, if at one point we lose technology, how are we going to communicate to one another? That's my worry. You know, at times we rely so much on Twitter, we rely so much on Instagram, on these social media platforms, but the problem is that at times, you know, these things may just stop working ever in Uganda. Thank you so much. You have actually proved my worries that not working. So Facebook and WhatsApp, actually, then that means then even Instagram is not working. Let me check my Instagram if it's working, and then I also know kama inafanya kazi. Yeah, the last post is telling me like could not refresh. We are sorry, but something went wrong, please try again. So most of these social platforms owned by Facebook are not working, so they're not working. Let me just say social social platform inconsistencies. At times, you know, people love coming live on Facebook, on Instagram. Like now I'm live on Twitter and live on YouTube, and therefore you know, that's why we say always subscribe to our channel, because one may fail and the other one will be an option, because this is all what we call media, and at times, you know, it is what it is. Evelyn, you are confirming that what happened. Please, how to communicate people like us outside. Oh yeah, that's what is happening. Rispa Mogaka not yet working. Oh yeah, Stella Miles or Kemo, I think, not working. So Facebook and WhatsApp not working. It's not working right now. I think they are making an update. I thought because I upgraded to iOS 15, there's an update that came, and they were saying like there is something into that update. So I was thinking that maybe Android people may be having something working from their side. But this is what is going to happen when you rely so much on social media. This is what's going to happen, and it even proves some worries of other people who are saying, you know, at times people were saying that, you know, at times even the Bibles, that the apps on the Bibles that will stop working one time. If there is something that we rely on so much, there is a time itakuja ifikie iache kufanya kazi. How will we operate without social media? Then that should be our worry now, and we should now be talking about what do we do in the absence of social media? How do we behave? How do we react how do we cope with that situation that now we are in a social media blackout? And this should teach us that, you know, there are other countries where people are and they are not able to actually there is media censorship. Oh yeah, Twitter is going live. Actually, we are live on Twitter. Let me share that link so that at least people will know that we are live on Twitter. Yes, we always go live on Twitter and Facebook. Na kuna watu wananiuliza, are we live on Twitter? Yes, let me copy that link and post it there so that you can know that we are everywhere, and we always make sure that we reach you wherever and whenever we are able to. That is the link for Twitter. If you are able, AGR, okay, just click on that link and you will be able to find us live on Twitter. We are live on Twitter and at the same time on YouTube. That's why I always say, you know, subscribe to our channel, YouTube and Twitter, Instagram, also LinkedIn, because we really want to reach our people, and we must reach our people by whatever means. You know, it is what it is. Or you cannot tune in FM radio from diaspora. You cannot tune in past the area whereby they are allowed to broadcast, and therefore you will be limited by those boundaries. And social media actually solves our problem that we are not able to be, we are unlimited by the physical boundaries. That's why we are able to reach our people, and therefore I say that we are live on YouTube and Twitter, and I wanted to just make sure. Oh, no, you cannot say that the link is not working also. No, I'm able to see myself live here. And I wanted to just make sure. Oh, no, you cannot say that the link is not working also. Yeah, you can hear that's Twitter, and therefore Twitter is working, and that's why I've posted it, and I've reposted it again. If you can click on that link, you will be able to see that we are live. Or at the same time, you can subscribe to our channel AGR FM. That's on Twitter, and you will go to our wall, and you will be able to find that link there. We are live. If you are watching me live from YouTube, you will be able as well to see me live on YouTube. That's how we reach our people. That's why I always say subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we cannot be limited on how we want to express ourselves. You know, we are social beings, and we must communicate, we must talk, and therefore we cannot be limited by social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. We are now live on Twitter and on YouTube. That's why I wanted to just check in a little bit. I'm late. I'm broadcasting from a local FM station. I have 1 minute. Allow me to go, but please share this link to your friends and tell them that YouTube, Twitter, we are live. Subscribe to our channel. And I'm Orina Ontiri, and this is AGR. Let me see the last comment. The handle name, the handle name is AGR FM. AGR FM is our handle name on Twitter. That is our handle name. Let me copy and post it there. Even though I'm late. Oh, will be then 1 minute, please. Thank you. Yeah. That's our I see they are calling me here that, you know, news is almost over. Okay, this is AGR News, and that's our Twitter handle. Just follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be able to talk to you live in a few minutes. Therefore, stay tuned. And because I'm late, I wanted to check your Facebook and Twitter and WhatsApp not working. Mine not working either. I think they are updating something because the American legislatures they said something regarding their privacy, our freedom. And I think it's for our own benefit, it's of our own good that these things are being done this way. So don't be offended at times when things work this way. It's not our platform. They gave it to us, and therefore, you know, if something is not yours, if you are on somebody's platform, you have a borrowed platform, so they gotta control you. At this age here, I'm on Read Until I will be back. Please subscribe and share this stream. Till then, God bless you.